If you want to make money in crypto, you got to stay away from things that appear to or that promise to get you rich quickly. Um, and I learned that the hard way. When I first got into crypto, somebody introduced me to this platform that promised 3% a week. In fact, 3% a week on your crypto. So you buy crypto, maybe like Bitcoin, Ethereum. And they'll claim they're trading your crypto for you. You send it to this platform. So essentially, you've given over custody of your crypto to the platform, and they claim to be trading it for you. And they promise to earn you 3% a week. And for about a year, it was going great. My account seemed to be growing, and everything was fantastic until it wasn't. Um, the platform started coming up with excuses why they couldn't pay us anymore. And ultimately, one day they disappeared, and with it, our money. So that was lesson number one. Lesson number two, um, meme coins. Meme coins, buying meme coins, the next best meme coin that's going to go to the moon, until it doesn't. And it crashes to zero, and with it gone your money. So you got to resist the urge of falling for get rich quick. And I know there's urgency. Everybody wants to be financially free, and they want to be financially free right now, today. Um, and there are people out there who take advantage of that, who know that, maybe people are going through challenges in life and they need money fast. But rather than really trying to help you, they prey on that vulnerability to steal even more of your money and put you in a worse situation. So, what does work? For me, in the 4 years or so that I've been in crypto, what's worked for me, and I just did this by observation, found this out by observation, is that just buying and holding. I found that through the period where I was losing money, the only thing that I didn't lose that actually grew and made me money in crypto was the Bitcoin and Ethereum that I bought and just held in my private wallet. And I've held it since around 2022. This is now 2025, and guess what? That's the only one that I didn't lose, and that's the only one that's made me money and actually grown substantially. So those are my 2 cents. If you want to make money in crypto 2025, buy and hold, and buy and hold good coins like Bitcoin.